Start with only one actor in the area, and then follow the standard creation process for a skeleton. It is also important to label your skeletons to avoid confusion later, especially when working with multiple actors. In this case, we'll go with Actor 1. Once the first skeleton is created, have the next actor enter and pose at the center of the space. Make sure the previous actor is still bound to their own skeleton, then prepare to create another skeleton for the new actor. We'll label this one Actor 2. Just remember, too close a proximity in actors when recording can result in the program mixing up markers, so just be careful. There you go! 2 actors are now ready to be recorded. This process can be used for up to 3 to 4 actors in total, depending on the rigging chosen.